Indian police have arrested People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti in New Delhi, the capital of India. According to Kashmir Media Service, police has arrested Mehbooba Mufti for protesting against the ongoing campaign of displacement of Kashmiris in the name of so-called campaign to remove encroachments by the Modi government in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Police has also arrested several workers of the PDP. Posters have appeared in different areas of the territory asking the people to observe complete shutdown on February 9th and 11th, the martyrdom anniversaries of prominent liberation martyr leader Muhammad Afzal Guru and Muhammad Maqbool Butt. Indian authorities had hanged Muhammad Maqbool Butt in New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail on February 11, 1984, and Muhammad Afzal Guru in the same jail on February 9th in 2013. The posters were pasted by Jammu and Kashmir Political Resistance Movement, Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Movement, and other organizations. Complete shutdown will be observed tomorrow 9th February and Saturday 11th February to mark the martyrdom anniversaries of prominent Kashmiri leaders Muhammad Afzal Guru and Muhammad Maqbool Butt. Call for the strike has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front, and supported by all other Hurriyat leaders and organizations. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said, "The martyrdom of two leaders infused a new spirit in the freedom movement of Kashmir." Indian government has said that over 900 members of Indian Army-backed village defense guards were imparted training in Rajouri district of Jammu region last month. This was stated by the Indian Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai while responding to a question in the Parliament. 5,000 members, majority of them Hindus, have been given rifles and more being provided with arms in Rajouri district in the last few weeks. There are around 28,000 village defense guards in the Jammu region. Chairman of World Forum for Peace and Justice Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai has said that the global Kashmiri diaspora has massively protested the Indian government's attempt at confiscating over 2,03,264 acres of land for the development of Indian settlements. Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai, in a statement issued in Washington, said the government of India has amended laws which were responsible to protect the land of Jammu and Kashmir. Indian police moved the High Court against the Saket Court's order discharging former Jawaharlal Nehru University student and activist Sharjeel Imam, Asif Iqbal Tanha, and 9 others in a case related to the incidents of violence at Jamia Millia Islamia in December 2019.